Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to check on Snapchat archive and all you have to do is to launch the Snapchat application. And from here, you're going to tap on your messages. Then you're going to choose any messages that you do have. And in the case that you did archive any message, you're going to save them here. Like for example, I did archive this one that is here. And in the case that you did not archive any chats with a specific person that you do have, you can just head on over to your profile and then you are going to tap on the gear icon and then you're going to scroll down until you see my data, which is usually located at the bottom. From here, you're going to download your information, and in this information, it's going to have all your archived messages and chats. You're going to go next to here. You are going to choose the dates that you would like to see the archived chats, and you can even choose last week or even yesterday. So once you're finished with the date that you would like to see the archived messages, you're going to tap on submit, and Snapchat will send you a notification telling you that your information has finished downloading and you can now go and access it. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.